So we have bird wiring that we added to the top. We're zip tying it to one end, draping it all the way over the other. Stapled along the side of the door. Over the door, I have it as a flap so that I can walk in and out without getting caught in it. I can just flip it right over the top and the wind will blow it down. The gate that we made, here's the hinges. Same kind of wiring in the middle between two pieces of wood. Simple latch. We had to replace one of our blueberry bushes that didn't survive the winter. Looked like it was eaten down to the ground. If you like this video, we have a few more and we'll be coming up with some more. Please press like and subscribe.
Excellent. I like that.